AWS Lambda sets quotas for the amount of compute and storage resources that you can use to run and store functions. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about Lambda quotas in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Lambda quotas for concurrent executions and storage apply per AWS region, whereas Elastic Network Interface or ENI quotas apply per VPC regardless of the region. Number 2, in the default quota, you can have up to 1,000 concurrent executions and 75 gigs of storage for uploaded functions and layers. You also get 250 ENIs per VPC. Number 3, you can contact AWS Support to request a quota increase. Smaller increases are usually automatically approved. However, larger requests take time to get processed. Number 4, AWS Support can approve, deny, or partially approve your quota increase requests. Number 5, Lambda allocates CPU power in proportion to the amount of memory configured. At 1769 MB, a function has the equivalent of 1 virtual CPU. Number 6, you can allocate any amount of memory to your function between 128 and 10,240 MB in 1 MB increments. Last but not the least, number 7, the maximum timeout for an AWS Lambda function is 15 minutes, and your deployment packet size cannot be more than 50 MB zipped for direct upload or 250 MB unzipped. In summary, for adjustable AWS Lambda quotas, you can request a quota increase by contacting AWS Support and track your request case in the AWS Support console. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.